Alright, hello my old school soul food family. Chef Jeffrey back with another video. Alright, it is Monday. No it ain't. It's Big Country Tuesday, Big Country Breakfast, y'all. Y'all know I've been on this French toast trip here lately. So I'm gonna do French toast, creme brulee French toast. You ever had creme brulee? You know how rich, smooth, amazing it is. So I'm gonna take French toast and I'm gonna make it to another level. I'm gonna make using French toast batter. Now using creme brulee process. Creme brulee, all creme brulee is cream, egg yolk, sugar, vanilla, and that's it. We're gonna add a little cinnamon to the cinnamon topping. What's gonna top it off? You know, creme brulee has a sugary crust to it. You know, if you ever ate creme brulee, it's a pudding, very rich pudding. It has a hard sugar on top, and you crack the sugar and you get to the pudding. But the sugar today, you know, Uncle Steve Shake, he has a sweet sugar. He got a sweet shake. That's what he called it. And all this is a cinnamon sugar. He got some more stuff in here. I don't think he showed the ingredients on the back. But I'm gonna put this on the French toast to give that sugary topping. So we're gonna do like making a creme brulee, but it's gonna be in the French toast form. So I got heavy cream. This is heavy whipping cream, y'all. It's not, you can use half and half if you want to. You can use milk if you want to, but this is heavy whipping cream. Just like the creme brulee. I got egg yolks, not full eggs. It's the egg yolks. Just like making a creme brulee, y'all. Same concept. Vanilla. I got sugar. Like I say, you make creme brulee, this is all you need right here. This is just the base right here. So I'm gonna mix this all up. I got my skillet heating up over here. But I'm gonna use, you know what makes the best French toast, y'all, to me, is brioche. Especially brioche is dried out. Like I can't cook brioche for a week. And you let it get dry and stale. That's the best French toast anyway if you use stale bread. But I got brioche here, which is the best bread to use French toast. Because brioche, all brioche is egg and butter, y'all. This is an egg and butter bread. Let's just take French toast to the next level. So anyway, we're gonna get this thing going here. Like I said, normally French toast, you would add some cinnamon in the batter. But I'm gonna add, I had cinnamon in this. We're gonna add it right at the end after we put it in the oven. So I got my skillet heating up here. Let me grab some oil here. Oil here. You can also use butter, but I prefer to use oil. Butter burn on you quick. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just put the bread into the cream and egg mixture. Let it soak in there just a little. I don't want to soak it too much where it gets too fragile. And just put it right in the skillet. And you can move over to the skillet. Just put it in the skillet again. We're gonna brown it on both sides. And I'm gonna finish it in the oven, y'all. You got it on the skillet. I'm gonna finish it in the oven. I just want to get a nice golden brown color on both sides. We're gonna finish in the oven, kinda get that nice caramelization with the sugar. It ain't gonna take long at all. You wanna get a nice golden brown color. Very simple, y'all. Y'all see how simple this is. Put this over. I can get a little bit more color on the next ones here. But this is, I've been telling y'all, if you're on a diet or whatever, this is the last thing you want to eat. Is this French toast made this way. You know, normal French toast is regular milk, whole egg, sugar, cinnamon. Put this one over. You want to get a little bit more color on it, y'all. Just like this. First batch is always the hardest. But anyway, y'all, we'll be right back. I'm gonna get all these cooked off, and we'll come back. We're gonna put the sugar on it, and we'll show y'all how we're gonna do the next step. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back here. Okay, this is what I want. See how the golden brown that is? Now, we better make the brulee part. So what I'm gonna do, y'all, I'm gonna put the sugar right on top, and I'm gonna turn the oven. And this is where y'all really have to watch it. I got the oven up to like 425 degrees to kind of caramelize your sugar, you know, just kind of melt it up a little. And that's where you're going to get your cinnamon at. See that, y'all? I don't want you to open it too much, because I will put too much of this on there, y'all. You can see how it's already soaking up the sugar, I'm telling y'all. All right, see that? I got the oven up to 400, really 450. You're going to put it in the oven, you really got to watch it. Maybe 3-4 minutes. Because what you want to do, all I want to do is cook the bread a little bit more and then caramelize your sugar on the top. We come back, it'll be ready. All you need is some powdered sugar on there and some syrup. You really don't need syrup for this because you got enough sugar on it, but we got to put syrup on it. If it ain't syrup without French toast. Anyway, y'all, we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we ready? We back here. Okay, the French toast is still in the oven. We got about 5 more minutes. Keep it running. I'll be right back, y'all. Keep it running. Don't stop it. This is for you.
Oh, shoot.
I'm going to put this on camera, y'all. Today is Dillon's 25th birthday. And he didn't know I was doing this. I know his birthday. He kind of give hints and reminders.
Oh, man.
So I want y'all to put in the comment, wish him a happy birthday. But I'm going to take a picture later and I'll put it up here at the top so y'all will see him with his cake or whatever. So, yeah, 25 years old. I've been knowing him for a while. Since, like I told him yesterday, he texted me because he was like 19 years old. So he done grew a lot, but he got a lot to go, a lot more to go. So y'all just put in the comments there. See that? Y'all got a close up of this? Hope I don't drop it on the floor. There we go. But I'm going to take a picture of him later with it, and I'll put it right up at the top here, y'all, so y'all can see her at the end of the video. So anyway, y'all, we'll be right back here once the French toast get ready.
Thanks, Jay.
All right, y'all, we back. Look at that. The sugar here is caramelized on here, y'all. And what I'm going to do here, I'm going to let it set just a second. And I'm going to get it. I put it in the oven about 6-7 minutes. You can see how the sugar's is caramelized on it. It ain't, you know, crystallized. But once it's set up a little, it's definitely going to crystallize a lot more. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to step off. And I'm not going to put no powdered sugar on this, y'all. I don't know what I'm going to do, keep it fancy or what. So I'm going to set up, come back, plate it up here. And we're going to try this out with and without the syrup. So anyway, y'all, we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back here. I got it without and with the syrup on there, y'all. See the close up here it is? Look at this here, y'all. So I'm good to see here. I already know how it is, but I want to prove it to y'all how it is. Number one, it's tender. I'm telling y'all, the perfect way to eat French toast is creme brulee. You got that sugar on there. Brioche is already top-notch bread. Like I say, if you don't have heavy cream, you definitely can use half and half or milk. You want to try it?
Mm-hmm.
Maybe with syrup on it or the. You actually, y'all, you don't even need the syrup. Leave it just like that. So anyway, let me back up where they can see me.
Huh?
Where they can see. No.
See what?
The camera's still on.
Is it? Yeah.
Yeah, what I'm saying. You eating, but they can't see.
Oh, yeah.
That's what I mean.
Okay, look.
That's what I mean. But anyway, y'all,
I don't need that.
it's good with the syrup or without it. So anyway, another Monday, what do they call it? Motivational? No, this is Monday. It's Tuesday. Awesome. Awesome.
Good, man.
But anyway, y'all, let me close this video out. Here, take the plate with you. If you like this video, please share, please comment, please subscribe, please follow my other social media accounts, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch TV, Pinterest, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Remember the hashtag 2022, helping others with a purpose. Old School Soul Food. Till next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food day, and I will see y'all in the next video. Love y'all. Bye.